This is a Huawei Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. So in the beginning, let's explore the available camera modes to see what interesting features it has to offer. So first, if you'll scroll all the way to the left, here you'll find the aperture mode, and what this mode is designed for is it is designed to take portrait pictures of the object. So here you can find the portrait mode, of course, but this feature is tailored towards taking photos of humans, while the aperture mode allows you to take a portrait photo of an object. And what it does is actually just blurs the background and keeps the object into focus. So if you would like to take a photo of some object and, well, just go for it. Go for this mode. Another mode, if you'll go into the More section, is called the Camera Pro mode, and it allows you to manually adjust the most important camera properties such as its ISO value, shutter speed, exposure, focus, and white balance. So if you are not satisfied with how the camera treats those properties automatically and you would like to get more manual control over the pictures you are making, this is a way to go for you. The Pro mode is something you will appreciate. Another mode you might have missed is the high-res mode, and it will simply take pictures in the higher resolution. So let's take a picture in the regular photo mode. Before I actually do that, let me disable the pesky timer here. So let's first find it. I do not want to have 10 seconds timer here, and then I will take the same exact photo but in the Pro mode to see how different those pictures will be. So let's begin by looking at the regular photo mode. So that's the level of details that it offers. Let's also see the resolution of this picture. So its resolution is 3K by 4K, as you can see. And this picture retains significantly, or should retain at the very least, significantly more details and have significantly bigger resolution, which it doesn't, and for some reason it is the same identical photo, which is fairly strange. Let me quickly take another high-res picture here. Maybe I did something. Yeah, my bad. I've actually didn't use the proper mode here. So yep, here's the level of details that the actual Camera Pro mode offers. As you can see, it's the amount of details on the photo is bigger and those details look better. And if we will once again open the photo specifications, you'll see that its resolution increased quite significantly, 3 times to be exact. So from 3 by 4K, it went all the way up to 9,000 by 12,000. So if you would like to capture and save as many small details as possible, the camera high resolution mode is a way to go. And the last interesting option is settings audio control, and once enabled it allows you to either say cheese to take a photo, cheese, as you can see, or as you can tell from the shutter button, it is listening to us. Let me try to make this work actually. Cheese. Well, it clearly says say cheese to take a photo, and I'm clearly saying cheese, so I have no idea why it doesn't work. Cheese. Yeah, the loudness is not the reason. Cheese. Yep, now the picture is taken. So I should have my mouth as close to the microphone as possible. So, cheese. Cheese. Yeah, so it's not reliable, as you can see, but if that's something you can benefit of, go for it. Another audio control that is available is called Speak Loudly, and the way it should work is that you speak loudly and it takes a photo. But the level of loudness is not specified, so let me try once again. I am speaking very loudly. Yep, as you can see, the picture gets taken. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.